Hello, I'm Matt Calloway and welcome to our 14th video in our Revit Tutorials for Beginner series, and in this one we're going to have a look at basic annotations. So in this model we have a floor plan that we need to detail up. So first of all, on the ribbon bar we're going to go to the Annotate tab. I will start by having a look at tags. So there's a lot of buttons in here, but we'll just concentrate on a couple. First of all, we have the Tag by Category button. With the Tag by Category button, Revit will recognise the element that you've got your mouse cursor over, and it should automatically place a tag for that particular type of component. For example, if I just find a door, move my mouse over a door, it's automatically going to want to place a door tag. I can left click and place a door tag there. Likewise, I could find a window, move my mouse cursor over a window, we now have a window tag, and I can left click and place that there. But maybe there's a lot of elements that you need to tag in a particular floor plan, and that'd be a lot of clicking. So we have this Tag All button. By selecting Tag All, we get a window which lists multiple categories that can be tagged, and we can choose the type of tag that's used, depending on what you've got loaded into your project. If I want to tag all my doors, I can tick the category for doors. If I want to tag all my rooms, I can tick the category for rooms, and if I want to tag all the windows, I can click the Windows category. Clicking the OK button, Revit will automatically tag every instance of those categories within the current view, saving you having to go around and click on everything. Okay, so that's tags. So next we'll take a look at text. So again, still on the Annotate tab, this time we're going to the Text tool. Not going to go into all the details of text, but we can choose whether we have leaders or not, where those leaders come from, the alignments, and we can change the type of text that we're placing. To place the text in the view, just simply left click where you want the text box to be, and a text box will be placed with your cursor inside to start typing. So maybe I might put in here roof to extend over entrance, something really basic. Now don't hit the return key because that'll just simply start a new line. Instead, just left click anywhere in an empty space and that will place the piece of text. You can select the text after placement. You can use the little move icon in the top left hand corner to move that around. There's even a rotate icon on the right hand side if you want to rotate your text as well. Moving a bit further onto the left on the Annotate tab, we have this region. Okay, so there's two types of regions. We have filled regions and masking regions. Filled regions are your typical hatch patterns. I'm going to select filled region. We get our usual draw tool and we have to draw an enclosed area that needs to be filled, and I don't know, maybe there's an area out here that needs to be kept clear. It's the loading bay maybe. So I'm just going to draw where I want this region to be. You can choose a line style. Invisible lines means you're not going to see any line work around the border, but you will still get your hatch pattern inside. I'm going to go for thin lines because I do want a border. We can change the filled region hatch pattern type in the type properties. And maybe we'll go with a diagonal up pattern inside that area. Click the green finish tick button and we now have a diagonal hatch pattern over the area that was specified. A masking region will do the opposite. It's going to hide anything that's in a particular area that it's drawn over. Again, I'm just going to draw it over a particular area. Let's go with invisible lines, and that should hide everything that's behind there. Okay, and again I could put some text in there saying loading bay or something like that. We also have detail lines, so this allows us to draw our typical 2D line work. Again, inside detail lines you get your usual draw tools, and we can choose the line style that we want to use. Maybe I'll go with wide lines. Now I do have my line weights turned off, so let's turn them back on. I'm going to draw another rectangular box, maybe down in this area over here. And we've now got our 2D line work on there. Thank you for watching.